Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about Shelly and Fraser Price injury and the update. I covered her getting injured in the 4x100 in Budapest, Hungary, and I want to update you guys on how she's doing. And I also want to talk about the next race that I'm looking forward to. So it says 5 times world 100-meter champion Shelly and Fraser Price injury sustained during the World 4x100 meters final at the World Athletics Championship in Budapest, Hungary yesterday is not severe. Jamaica mined a silver medal in the final, clocking a season's best of 4:1:21 seconds, but the quartet was not able to celebrate the achievement yesterday after going to the aid of Fraser Price. According to reports in the media, an examination at the hospital showed that the injury to be less severe than feared and the sprinter should be able to recover without complications. Fraser Price was only able to start her season last month after an injury in May pushed it back. Fraser Price is in good spirits and has already begun treatment. So you heard it here first. She is A-OK and her injury is less severe than everyone thought, and she is good to go. I really think that she had to overwork herself to get Jamaica into a silver medal position, and that's why she ended up injuring herself. She had to overdo it to make sure that we got a medal. So, shout out to her for powering through and still running even with a injury. And if World Champions wasn't enough for you, you're about to see Sha'carri against Elaine Thompson, herah, in Diamond League. And it says breakout sprinting star Shacarri Richardson will be one of the main draw cards when she settles into the blocks for the women 100-meter race at the Zurich Diamond League meeting on Thursday, the 31st of August. The 23-year-old etched her name into the record books at the recent 2023 World Athletics Championship in Budapest, blitzing to victory in the 100-meter final in a championship record time of 10:06:5. Adding more shine to her glittering debut, Richardson won silver in the half-lap sprint event, becoming the first American woman to win 100 meters and 200 meters medals at the same Worlds since Carmelita Jeter in 2001. Bringing the curtain down on a brilliant world championship, Richardson anchored the United States to victory in the women's 4x100 meters in the championship record of 41:03 seconds. Richardson's biggest challenge in Zurich should come from Jamaica sprint queen Elaine Thompson, herah, who is the first woman to win the 100 and 200 double gold at consecutive Olympics. Thompson, herah, failed to qualify for an individual event at World Championship and only raced in the heat of the sprint relay, helping her team reach the final. The 31-year-old will be looking to salvage what is left of her season, starting with the Zurich Diamond League meeting. And one thing I will say about that is it has been said that the only reason that she didn't compete in the 4x100-meter relay was because the people in charge did not want to give her the same leg that she had, and that was the second leg of the 4x100 meter. They said that they weren't going to give her that leg, and quite honestly, I feel like the only reason why they're doing this to Elaine Thompson, herah, is because she cut ties with a certain coach, and also they're saying that she's acting like a diva. She has earned every right to act like a diva. She is the second fastest woman in the world, period. And that's behind Flo Jo. And Flo Jo is not even alive. So if this was Usain Bolt asking for the second leg of a 4x100-meter race, they would have definitely given it to him. So I don't understand why they're doing what they're doing to Elaine Thompson, herah. But please know that the people of Jamaica are watching and watching the foolishness take place, and we are taking notes. In conclusion, it says Thompson, herah, the second fastest woman behind Florence Griffin Joyner, has came out on top against Richardson in their 3 previous head-to-heads. So The three times that Shacarri and Elaine Thompson herah has gone head to head in a race, Elaine has come out victorious and won. And I'm going to put my bet on Elaine Thompson because she looked amazing at the World Championship running the second leg, and she clocked a 9.90 on her second leg, and she has fresh legs. She just started her season because she was nursing an injury, and she also switched coach. So who am I going to put my money on today to win? Definitely Elaine Thompson herah. I can't wait to see what's going to happen in Paris 2024, because between Elaine Thompson herah being healthy, because if she's healthy, no one can beat her in the 100 meters, okay? Shelly and Fraser Price being healthy, Shericka Jackson being healthy, is about to be a lit Olympics in 2024. With that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.